Hey folks, Sean Wieda here with Wiedas Marine, and we have got the first of the 2019 Phoenix. This is a 20 PHX. The colors are absolutely awesome. This boat is a Galaxy Mist, gunmetal, sterling with a little bit of gray gel. We got a big shot of that giant wide PHX deck. We got the day box on the PHX, which is a really cool feature. Good place to stow plastics, keep a lot of the stuff that's day-to-day that you're going to use. We fall down this boat. You can look at the good colors. Beautiful, beautiful boat. It's got a dual deck upgrade, so the inside of the deck's a different color. But as we work our way to the back of this bad boy, here is the news, the excitement, folks. That's right, the all-new V8 Mercury Pro XS 4-stroke, Pro 4-stroke. I want you to really give you a good look at that, walk around. You know, we've been accustomed to the Pro XS for years, which is an awesome motor and a very reliable motor that's still going to sell for a while. But this is the new future of Mercury, is the Pro XS 4-stroke. Folks, if you want a brand spanking new 2019 20 PHX, folks, come get the first one with the Mercury 4-stroke and this awesome dual deck color. We got a carbon 12, carbon 9 in the bow. I left that loose, padded deck. We got that Minn Kota Ultrex on there. Folks, Wiedas Marine is your home for Phoenix bass boats. Largest inventory in the country. Trades, welcome. Like clean trades, aggressive financing. Folks, these new motors are going to be available on all the new Phoenixes, and if you're still looking for the old motor, we got a lot of those left. The Pro XSs is a really good motor. We're going to have a lot of deals on those. But folks, give us a call at 859-647-BOAT. Wiedas Marine.